There are various study rooms in Clifford Whitworth which you can book. To book a room, go to cmisgo.salford.ac.uk. Log in using your username and password. These will be the same as your login details for campus PCs. Go to the top right corner of the screen and hover over Bookings. Go to Find and Book. To book a room in Clifford Whitworth, type Peel Park Campus into the Campus box. You can move the slider up to a maximum of 10 people, depending on how many people you're booking the room for. Click Next. Choose the date and time you want to book the room for. Click Next. Choose the room you want to book. Click the plus icon for more information about the room. Click Next. You will automatically be listed as a contact for the booking. To add additional contacts, search for them and select them. Click Next. Assign a reference to the booking and add notes if you wish. Click Book. You will receive an email about your booking. To cancel a booking, select it in your list of bookings and click Cancel Bookings. You will receive an email confirming your cancellation.